Good. Okay, this is Move to Read again, and we are going to be going with all of the letters from A to Z, and I'm going to show you a signal that goes with those to help you remember the sounds. So this is uppercase A, lowercase a, and it says A, Our next letter is B, and we are going to be like a bear reaching for honey high up into the tree, and we're going to go B. So uppercase B, lowercase b, and B. Our next letter is C, and we are going to pretend that we are a cat, and we are washing our face, and C says two sounds, k, s. So uppercase C, lowercase c, k, s. Our next letter is D, and we are going to pretend that we are a deer, and we will go D. So uppercase D, lowercase d, D. Our next letter is E, and we are going to pretend that we are an elephant and we want to eat our peanuts. So we're going to put our arm out like this, and we're going to go E, I. So uppercase E, lowercase e, I, Our next letter is F. We are going to pretend that we are a fish. Hold on. And we're going to put our hands on top of each other and go. So uppercase F, lowercase f. Our next letter is G. And we are going to pretend that we are a gorilla. G makes two sounds. So he says G, G. So uppercase G, lowercase g, G, G. Next letter is H. We're going to pretend we're a horse running in the meadow. And he says, so uppercase H, lowercase h. Next letter is I. We are going to pretend that we are an inchworm. And I says 5 sounds. So this is the inchworm. I, E, Y, So uppercase I, lowercase I, E, Y, Next letter is J. We're going to pretend that we are a jellyfish. And then jellyfishes have no bones, so it's just J. So uppercase J, lowercase j, J. The next letter is K. And we are going to pretend that we are a kangaroo. And he says, so it's like that. So he's kind of boxing. Kangaroos like to box each other. So uppercase K, lowercase k. Next letter is L. And we're going to be a lizard. And he likes to lay in the sun and bathe himself, so he's laying on a rock going, oh. So uppercase L, lowercase l, oh. The next one, we're going to pretend that we're a mouse eating our favorite thing, which is cheese. And we're going to go, mmm. So uppercase M, lowercase m, mmm. This is an N, and we are going to be a night owl. And you have big eyes, and you just go, mmm. So uppercase N, lowercase n, Now watch the position of my mouth for M versus N. M, your mouth is closed. N, it's your tongue is right behind your teeth for N. Next letter is O, and this is for an octopus. So it's A, O, U, So uppercase O, lowercase o, A, O, U, Next letter is P, sorry. We are going to be a penguin. So we go P, like this. P. So uppercase P, lowercase p, P. Next letter is Q, and we are going to be a quail. And quails have this little top knot thing, and they say qua. So uppercase Q, lowercase q, qua. Next letter, R. We are going to pretend to be a rabbit. And R says not ra. Some programs will teach you ra. It's not ra, it's So uppercase R, lowercase r, Next letter is a letter that makes two sounds. It's the letter S. We're going to pretend we're a snake. S, z, s, z. Uppercase S, lowercase s, s, z. Next letter is T, and we're going to pretend to be a tiger. We want to be a strong tiger. So we put out our arms and go tsh. So uppercase T, lowercase t, tsh. Our next letter is U, and it has 5 sounds. We are going to pretend to be an umbrella bird, and we're going to hold an umbrella above our head, and we're going to just fly with one wing, and we're going to go U, oo, So uppercase U, lowercase u, U, oo, You're so tired after flying with just one wing. The next letter is V, and we are going to be a vampire bat, and we're going to go uppercase V, lowercase v, Our next one is W, and we are going to be a weasel running all over the forest. So we put our hands like this, and we go up and down, and we go woo. It's not a wah, it's a woo. So uppercase W, lowercase w, woo. Our next letter is X, and he makes 4 sounds. He's a special consonant, the only one that makes 4 sounds. So his first sound is x, gz, z, and x. So uppercase X, lowercase x, x, gz, z, x. Our next letter is Y, and it is the only letter that can be a consonant one time, like in a position of a word, and it has 4 vowel sounds. So we're gonna pretend that we're yakking on the phone, old-fashioned phone, and we're gonna say ya, I, E, So that's uppercase Y, lowercase y, ya, I, E, And our last letter is Z, and we're going to pretend that it is a zebra, And he has fallen asleep, waiting his turn, and he is asleep. Zzz. So uppercase Z, lowercase z, zzz. Have a great day and enjoy practicing your sounds.